Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about class 6 chapter 5 separation of substances question answer. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर की स्क्रीनशॉट चाहिए तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए. Answer the following questions in one sentence. Question number first. What is a mixture? Answer is mixture is a substance that consists of two or more components or constituents mixed up in different proportion. Question number 2. What is a pure substances? Answer is a pure substance is made up of only one kind of substances. Question number 3. Name the method that farmers use to separate husk from rice grains. So answer is the name of method that farmer use to separate husk from rice grain is winnowing. Question number 5. What is a sediment? Answer is the undissolved part which settles at the bottom of the liquid is called the sediment. Question number 5. Which method will you use to separate particles of sand that differ in size? Answer is sieving method will be used to separate particles of sand that differ in size. Question number 6. What is a solute? So answer is a substance that is dissolved in a solution is called a solute. Answer the following questions in about 4 to 5 sentences. Question number 1. Explain winnowing. Answer is a method of separating very light and heavy solid substances from a mixture is called winnowing. Question number 2. What are immiscible liquids? How will you separate them? So answer is if two liquids do not mix, they form two separate layers. Such as liquids are called immiscible liquids. They can be separated by decantation. Question number 3. How will you obtain salt from a mixture of salt, sand and water? So answer is we will obtain salt from a mixture of salt, sand and water are. Point number 1. Take a pan and pour the salt and sand mixture into a pan. Point number 2. Add water, little amount of water into the pan. Point number 3. Heat the water until the salt dissolves. Point number 4. Remove the pan from heat and allow it to cool until it's safe to handle. Point number 5. Pour the salt water into a separate containers. Point number 6. The next step is to collect the sand. Point number 7. Pour the salt water back into the empty pan. Point number 8. Heat the salt water until the water boils. Continue boiling it until the water is gone and you are left with the salt. Question number 5. Differentiate between loading and sedimentation. So answer is the difference between loading and sedimentation are loading, a process of separating suspended particles from a mixture with the help of a substance that binds to the suspended particles are called loading. Sedimentation, the process in which heavier substances that do not dissolve in a liquid settled at the bottom of the container forming the sediment is called sedimentation. Question number 5. What is a saturated salt solution? What happens when you heat a saturated solution? So answer is a solution in which no more of the solute can be dissolved is called saturated solution. When a saturated solution is heated, it becomes capable of dissolving more solute. That is, on heating, a saturated solution becomes unsaturated and is able to dissolve more solute.